Marshmellow.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Oh, that is different. I like it. Instead of being inside, it's outside.
It's outside.
There you go.
Now, when I want to compete, I just take these off and I'll be able to raise my tuning frequency up to about between 34 and 35.
Wow.
So I gain a little bit more on the meter.
So right now, what is it, 29?
It's 30?
30? Okay.
Tune about 31.
Nice.
30 and a half, be exact.
So how did you get these? Are these mounted and screwed on the other end?
Actually, no. There's two layers all the way around, 4 layers at the top.
Okay.
And I just slid them in there.
Yes, sir.
I got some real special glue.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's nice, huh?
That's
yeah,
cool. I like that.
I come up with an idea like that.
Awesome.
2XP 315. I'll show you the amplifier.
Yes, sir.
I got crossfires in the door.
Nice.
I'm running a 4K crossfire, 4-channel crossfire.
What is this at? 1 ohm or?
That's at a half ohm.
Okay.
Yep. And so I got 90 amperes of lithium. I got 315 ampere hours under here, and I got 145 right there.
There you go. Utilized your space for the seat, and you got your back seats. There you go, man. And it's hidden. There you go. All right. I like it. I love to hear it, man.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I got 370s. I got a lithium delete, and stock battery, stock off.
Is there anything in the battery box, or is it empty?
It's a limitless battery delete. I mean, yeah, super cap.
Super cap, yes.
Yeah.
Awesome. Nice. Thank you for showing me. It's really good. And you got some fans linked right to your coils.
Yep, you see that?
That's pretty.
It was an idea I just come up with.
It actually works, I'm sure it helps. Them coils get hot.
Yeah. I push them a little bit.
All right, I'm ready.
such good place in street class.
Really? Okay. Okay. Nice. Thank you very much for the demo. Appreciate it.
Thanks for stopping by.
You too.